Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's wealth step-by-step review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more commissions have recently come in. But more importantly in this video, I want to show you how you can join the fastest growing team in wealth step-by-step. And the reason for doing that, and the reason why I joined, is that we give you paying members with the team Rotator, and also just promote one link and you can earn multiple income streams with this compensation plan. Before I show you the proof of commissions later in the video, I'm going to show you the free done for you resources that our team gives you, and I'm also going to give you a free 7-figure earner blueprint training that can help you, teaches you how to promote well step by step, but also any other offer to succeed in affiliate marketing. So first of all, what I want to show you is excuse me, the commission. So I'm going to log into my account here. You see this is my account, Barry Cross, and I'm going to log in here, and what I'm going to do is show you how the Rotator has worked for me. I'm going to sign in. At this level with well step by step, you get a free autoresponder. I'm going to go into more and new genealogy. So there's multiple income streams here, and you'll see here it says blink indicates fast start bonus. So the fast start bonus is $10, and that's for your personal referrals. So you'll see total commissions $34. $30 of that is from these 3 flashing new members that I've referred. And if I just hover my mouse over here, you'll see there it says sponsor Barry Cross. And on this one here with Kevin, sponsor Barry Cross. And the next one with Gerard, sponsor Barry Cross. So that's $30 in fast start bonus. And remember, it's $15 a month to be a member of Well Step by Step. So I'm already in profit there by $15, and I've also got an extra $4 monthly recurring income from a previous member. Now with the Rotator, when I say to you that we give you team members, and if you look under here, Roland was given to me because the sponsor was Frank, and Heidi was given to me and the sponsor was Frank. So the Rotator is starting to fill up my levels automatically. And in this one here, Sterling was also given to me. So I've had 3 members that have been given to me by the team Rotator, and I also do my own promotion. So it's a combination of both. Don't just rely on the Rotator, even though we are the fastest growing team and we are going to promote your affiliate link. We also recommend you do your own promotion, and then you can get into profit faster and start to build a monthly recurring income. What I want to do now is show you the pay plan. So I'm going to log out here and go onto the home page. Now this is really important because what happens here is what I've just shown you. Pay plan overview. I'll come down here. I'm going to go into the first matrix. So there are 3 separate matrices, 1, 2 and 3, but I'm going to focus on the first one because this is where you start to get the foundations in place with well step by step. Let me just get my little pencil out here and show you. So what you saw there was my level 1 has already been filled. So on this row here, this is your first level. And you saw my level 1 was already filled. So what happens then is with the force matrix, once this first level has been filled, then what happens is members have to be put onto the second level. this level here, level 2. And you'll see what happens with when you get 9 members on level 2, you start to earn commissions here. $4 per referral. Now these are monthly recurring commissions, and 9 times 4 equals $36 a month. So then you are in profit every month. That's monthly. Remember, it's $15 a month. You get your free autoresponder. So then you are in profit every single month. So the reason that the retention is so high with Wealth Step by Step is because nobody quits a program that they're in profit with. And then when you start to fill that matrix up, so all those that have gone before you, all those that have joined before me, when their levels fill up, it's called a forced matrix. When their levels fill up, they have to pass you, they have to pass down paying members. And then when you get to level 3, 27 members go on to level 3. And 27 times $4, 27 times $4. Let's just get rid of that window there. 27 times $4 is $144 per month of recurring income. And remember, you're still paying. This $15 a month never goes up. It will always remain at $15. That's your monthly payment there. And then you can see how you get into profit. This is recurring income. And on top of this, you also earn with your own referrals, you also start to earn your $10 fast start bonus. And you saw there from my commissions, we're going to put FS there for fast start. So it's a multiple income stream program, fast start bonus. So you saw that I earned $30. So your fast start bonus is on top of this monthly recurring income here. And then once level 3 is filled up, you go on to level 4, and that's $468 of recurring income. And then you can really start to scale up, because once you get into profit, you can take a percentage of your profits and you can start buying some quality targeted buyer tier 1 traffic and get some more people, get some more prospects to see your offer, and then you can get into profit faster. That's how we teach you how to do that. I'll teach you how to do that, so you don't have to worry about that now. So I want to share that with you because this is matrix 1 and there are 2 more beyond this, but we're going to get the foundations in place. This is a long-term plan. You've got to stay around. You've got to stay around, do some of your own promotion. I'll teach you how to do that. Our team will teach you. But the team rotator is working and it will work for you. It's a long-term plan if you stick around long-term. Let's have a look at the free resources that we give you as well. So if you click the link in the description and you join our team, we've got all free done-for-you resources. You don't have to create any lead capture pages. You don't have to create any email follow-ups. Everything's done for you. This is a done-for-you system. You'll see here we've got what's called share codes. So we use the Leads Leap tools, and with Leads Leap you get a free lifetime membership. And if you're brand new and you're a beginner, we'll teach you how to do this. It's very simple. It's just copy and paste a share code like you see in this column here. We just copy and paste share code. And when you copy and paste this share code into the back of your Leads Leap account, just a few more clicks and you're going to get your own lead capture pages exactly the same as this, and you'll get your own link to promote. We even give you all the follow-up messages, so you don't have to worry about writing anything. And we teach you traffic. So this is a complete done-for-you system. And here within this training here, so this is going to be a link in the description. It's a 7-figure blueprint training. that's going to teach you how to succeed with affiliate marketing. This is one of my mentors in the bottom left-hand corner, Jeff. He's a 7-figure earner, and he's put together a very simple beginner-friendly system. If you're struggling to make commissions online, you haven't made your first dollar, or if you're struggling to make consistent commissions, then all you do is follow Jeff's video tutorials, and he'll teach you how to become successful with affiliate marketing. And when you scroll down here to the bottom, he even teaches you his top 6 traffic sources in that video there. And then there's another 4 underneath here. So you don't have to worry about getting traffic that converts into leads and sales, because all that's there in the training. Completely done for you, step by step. If you're an absolute beginner, or if you've got some experience and you want to add some more additional income streams to your portfolio, this is a superb training. And there's no opt-in for this. There'll be a link in the description that'll say free 7-figure earner training, and it'll take you to this page and you can follow these tutorials. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. So I would really appreciate that, because that will help support my YouTube channel. And please click subscribe and the bell icon if you'd like to see some more videos from me. So I'm doing a new video every single day at the moment, and long term I plan to do several new videos every single week. I've got 800 videos now on the channel, and if you've got any questions at all about wealth step by step, then please leave those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you. And I'll also leave my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. So if you just click the link in the description, then you can join there's some more information there, but you can join the fastest growing team. We're here to help, support and train you, build your wealth step-by-step program and make it a huge success. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.